Hello everyone. Today I will discuss about trigonometry. Today I will discuss about three things. The first one is graphing. The second one is find the angles, and the third one is identities. Let's start the first one. It asks that sketch for 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 360 of the equation absolute 3 sine of 2x plus 1. First, you have to know that the basic formula of trig graph is y equal to a sine cos or tan bx plus c. First, we have to like classify a, b, c of the equation. For this equation, 3 is a, 2 is b, and 1 is c. Okay. After we classify, we have to find a period. To find the period of sine, the formula is 360 over b. In this case, b is equal to 2, so we will divide 360 by 2, so it equal to 180. Next, we have to find the scale. To find the scale, it will use formula 90 over b. The same, b in this case 2, so divide 90 by 2. It will equal to 45. For amplitude, our amplitude is in the A form. And in this equation, A is equal to 3, so our amplitude is 3. To find the axis, our axis is C. What is C? C is 1 in this case. But don't forget to put y equal to because it is a axis. So in this case, y is equal to 1. Okay. To find maximum, the formula of maximum is C plus A. So in this case, C is equal to 1, A is 3, so it is equal to 4. And to find minimum, the formula is C minus A. So C is 1, A is 3, so 1 minus 3 is -2. Okay, let's plot a graph for this equation. Max is 4, minimum is -2, and midline is 1. Midline is the same with exits. Okay. So first we will draw a line for maximum line, midline, and minimum line because it will easy to plot a graph like this. Okay. And then we will start to plot a graph now. First, we will plot a scale. Our scale is 45, so we will plot a graph by 45 until it reach 360. Okay, after that, so we'll start to plot a graph. For sine graph, we will start with minimum line. We will start for sine graph. We will start with midline, and then go to max, and then go to midline, and then go to minimum line. Like this, we will go over and over until it reaches 360. This, like midline again, maximum line again, midline again, and minimum line, and then go to midline again. Okay, it will be mid, max, mid, min. Okay, like this. Mid, max, mid, min. Okay. So basically, this is a graph for sine, but in this case, we have a absolute value. So the graph will change. The absolute value, the graph will always be positive values. Okay, so in this case, we only have to reach the maximum line and midline because our minimum line is negative. It's negative too. It is a negative number, so we can't reach until it. So we'll rationally this one. Mid, max, mid, max, mid, max, mid, max, mid. Okay, the graph will be like this. And don't forget that it will have to be curved line here. Always curves. Okay, and this is for number 1. So for number 2, it is asked that solve the equation for 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 180 of the equation 2 sine square x minus 5 sine x times with cos x equal to 3 cos square x. First, we have to set the variable to make it easier to do. So change from sine x equal to x and cos x equal to y. After that, replace it into the equation. Sine x cos x will change to x and y. So it will be 2x squared minus 5xy equal 3y squared. Then we will move the number of the right side to the left side. So to make it 0 of the right side. Okay, so we will remove 3y squared to the left side. From plus, it will be minus. So it will be 2x squared minus 5xy minus 3y squared equal to 0. After that, we will do factorization. Okay, make it to the 2 parentheses, and the answer is 2x plus y multiplied with x minus 3y equal to 0. Then we set the equation to 0. This. Okay. Set 2x plus y to be equal to 0 because for this equation it will be equal to 0, right? Then substitute sine and cos back into. So we will substitute sine and cos back. Okay, so it will be 2 sine x plus cos x equal to 0. Then move cos to the right side. Plus will be minus. So 2 sine x equal to minus cos x. Then move to divide in another side and cos divide in another side. Okay, so this one divide in another side and 2 divide in another side. Okay, and it will be sine x over cos x equal to negative 1 over 2. Okay, this one. And we will use the identities that say tan x equal to sine x over cos x. So sine x over cos x is tan. So we replace it. So tan x equal to negative 1 over 2. To find the alpha, we will use a calculator to find it. So use tan power negative 1 times with 1 over 2. Okay, in this one. Okay. It will be equal to 26.6. Okay. And the quadrant that tan have a negative value is quadrant 2 and 4. See this one. Quadrant 1, all will be positive. In quadrant 2, sine will be the only one that have a positive value. In quadrant 3, tan will be only the one that have a positive value. And in quadrant 4, cos will be the one that have a positive value. So in this case, we will plus or minus to find the x. So quadrant 2 is between 180. To find this one, we will minus 180 with 26. Okay, 26.6. Okay, and the result is 153.4. And for quadrant 4, we will minus 360 with 26.6, and the answer is 333.4. For this one, for the next one, we'll use x minus 3y equal to 0 equation. The method to solve is quite the same with the first equation. So first we will set x minus 3y equal to 0. Then substitute sine and cos back into the equation. It will be sine x minus 3 cos x equal to 0. Then move cos back to another side. Negative sign will be a positive sign. So it will be sine x equal to 3 cos x. Okay. Then divide. Then move cos to divide in another side. It will be sine over cos x. And as I say in the first equation, tan x equal to sine x over cos x. we will use identity, so we will replace sin x over cos x into tan x. So tan x equal to 3. Okay. Then to find alpha, we will use tan power negative 1 times 3. We'll use calculator to find this one. And the result is 71.6. In this case, 3 is a positive value, so it will be in quadrant 1 and 3. Let's see. This form. Okay. Quadrant 1, all will be positive, and in quadrant 3, only 10 will be positive. Okay. To find this, we will use 0 plus 71. Okay, 71.6. The result is it very easy. It's equal to 71.6. And for quadrant 3, we'll use 180 minus 71.6. No. 180 plus 180 plus 71.6. So the result is 251.6. Okay, and this is for number 2. Okay, for this is equation, it asks to prove these identities. Sin x times with 1 plus tan x equal to tan x times with sin x plus cos x. First, we will use identity tan x equal to sin x over cos x. Okay, we will change from tan to sin over cos. Okay, for this one. Okay, then multiply sin x into the equation and multiply sin x plus cos x into the equation. So it will be sin x plus sin square x over cos x equal to sin square x over cos x plus cos x times with sin x over cos x. Okay, and then make this equation to have a same the denominator, so we have to multiply cos x. Okay, multiply cos x, multiply. Okay, but the right side we don't have to multiply anything because it have the same denominator. Okay, then the left side will be sin x cos x plus sin square x over cos x, and the right side will be sin square x plus sin x cos x over cos x. So as the answer of the two equation is the same, so we can conclude that this identity is true. Ta-da! Okay, so this is the all of today. Thank you very much. Bye bye.